to Are You Smarter Than a Ninth Grader? Today, here we have our two students, Tanvi and Emily.
Hey!
They are both Geometry Honors 9th grade students. And today, going for the $1 million is Miss Ligmanowski, a 9th grade Geometry Honors teacher. Say hello, everyone.
Woo!
Welcome to the show. Let's get started on this Chapter 5 edition of Are You Smarter Than a 9th Grader? Today, you may choose from these 7 subjects. Now it's time to pick your classmate.
Pick me! Pick me! Pick me! Pick me! I'm gonna go with Tanvi. Yay!
All right. Now, what section would you like to answer?
I am gonna go with parallelograms.
All right. Here's your question. Name the properties of a parallelogram having to do with its angles and diagonals.
Oh my gosh.
It looks like Tommy's locked in her answer. Remember, you have 1 save, 1 peek, and 1 copy.
Okay, I don't think I need it this time. I think I know them. I think it's the diagonals bisect each other, opposite angles are congruent, and all consecutive angles are supplementary.
That's correct. You just won $5,000.
Yeah!
Right, next question. What category would you like next?
I'm gonna go with kites.
Okay, here's your question. What are the 3 properties of a kite that are sometimes called the half properties?
Okay, I know one of them. You said there were 3?
Yeah, there are 3.
Okay, I only know one of them, so I'm gonna lock in a copy.
So what I put down was that one diagonal is the perpendicular bisector of the other. Another property is that one pair of opposite angles are congruent. And the third property is that the diagonals bisect one pair of opposite angles.
That is correct. Yeah! This time is now up, and it's Emily's turn. Bye, Tommy.
Bye. Thank you.
Woo! You're welcome.
Woo!
Let's do
Welcome
this.
up. We got this.
Okay. It's on time for you to choose your next category.
Okay, I am going to choose rhombuses.
Okay, your question is, what shape is both a rhombus and a rectangle, and why?
Oh, okay, so I think it's a square because all the sides are congruent like a rhombus, but all the angles are right angles, which is like a rectangle. So, lock that in.
That is correct. You now have $20,000.
Oh, yeah!
All right, it's now time for your next question. What category would you like next?
I'm going to choose trapezoids.
Okay, your question is, what of these are congruent in isosceles trapezoids? And it could be multiple answers. Opposite angles, bases, base angles, legs, or all angles.
Okay. Oh my. Okay, I don't know this one at all. Emily seems to know it, so I'm just going to lock in with peek.
I put that the base angles and legs are congruent because an isosceles trapezoid, by definition, has congruent legs and has each base angle congruent to the other base angle of the same base.
Okay, I think that's the correct answer, so I'm going to lock that in.
That is correct. You now have $25,000.
Yeah!
Next question. Which category do you want to do next?
I'm going to choose squares.
Okay, here's your question. What kind of triangles do the diagonals form in a square?
Ooh, I know this one. It's a 30, 60, 90 triangle.
I am sorry, that is incorrect. Emily, what did you say?
I got a 45, 45, 90 triangle.
That is correct, so Emily saved you.
Oh!
It's now time for the $1 million question. You cannot use any classmates on this one, but would you like to attempt it?
I would like to attempt it.
Okay. Determine what this shape is using the properties of quadrilaterals.
Okay, so I think that it's a rectangle because we can tell by all these swoopies that all the angles of the shape are congruent, but we can't tell if all the sides are congruent, so I think we would just classify it as a rectangle.
Are you going to lock that answer in?
I think I'm going to.
And it is correct!
All I do is win, win.
Ms. Ligmanowski, you are in fact smarter than a 9th grader.